Hello friends, welcome to my channel Edu Hotspot. So today we do our class 10th maths chapter first exercise 1.1 first question, that is use Euclid's division algorithm to find HCF of the following number. This question has three parts. First part contains two numbers, that is 135 and 225. Second part has two numbers 196 and 38,220. And third is 867 and 255. So subscribe the channel, press the bell icon to get notification of next video, and share more and more videos and like videos. In this video we do first and second part of this question. Third question you do by yourself. If any problem or doubt, you can comment in comment box, or you can send me message on my Facebook account. I have given link already in description, and you can visit my channel to watch videos of explanation of class 10th other subject chapters like SS, science and English. So without waste time we continue this chapter. So first I tell you what is Euclid's division algorithm. So Euclid division algorithm कहती है it is dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. समझ होता है कि जो डिवाइडेंट होता है वो किसके इक्वल होता है, डिवाइजर को जब हम क्वेश्चन से मल्टीप्लाई करें और उसमें जो रिमाइंडर उसको प्लस कर दें वो किसके इक्वल होता है, डिवाइडेंट के. सो हम इसको शॉर्ट फॉर्म में लिखा है डिवाइडेंट एज अ स्मॉल ए, डिवाइजर एज बी, क्वोशिएंट एज स्मॉल क्यू एंड रिमाइंडर एज अ कैपिटल आर. सो नाउ वी डू आवर फर्स्ट पार्ट. आवर फर्स्ट पार्ट इज 135 and 225. First we know that 225 is the bigger one than 135, so we consider 225 as a dividend. Okay, 225 as a dividend and 135 as a divisor. So now divide 225 by 135. When we multiply 135 by 1, we get 135, and when we minus 135 from 225, then we get 90. But in Euclid's division algorithm, to find HCF we should have remainder 0, but here remainder is 90. So first we put values of dividend, divisor, remainder, quotient in this formula. So now first we put dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So now we cannot find HCF of this number because our remainder is 90. Until your remainder is 0, you continue dividing. So now we take the divisor, that is 35, as a dividend and remainder as a divisor. Here 35 is divisor, now it is taken as dividend, and 90 is a remainder, it is taken as a divisor. So now we divide 135 by 90. So when we multiply 90 by 1, it is 90, and when minus 90 by 135, it is 45. So now again remainder is not 0, but first we put values. 135 equal to 90 into 1 plus 45 as a remainder. So now again divisor as a dividend, remainder as a divisor. So now when we multiply 45 by 2, here is 90, 90 minus 90 equal to 0. So now our remainder is 0, but first we put values. Divide is 90 and divisor is 45, quotient is 0, remainder is quotient is 2 and remainder is 0. So तो हमने इनकी वैल्यूज फॉर्मूला पुट तो कर ली, पर अब हम HCF कैसे निकाल लें? तो HCF निकालने के लिए हमें एक काम करना पड़ेगा. HCF of 135 and 225 is, इसके लिए जो हमारा लास्ट स्टेप होगा, जब हमारा रिमाइंडर 0 आ जाएगा तो जो उसमें डिवाइजर होगा वो आपका HCF होगा. तो In the last step, when your remainders become 0, and in this step that divisor is a SCF of these two numbers. Like in this 45 is a divisor, so SCF is 45. So this is first part of this question. तो सबसे पहले हमें क्या लेना है, सबसे पहले हमें देखना है कि कौन सा बड़ा नंबर है। जो बड़ा नंबर हो उसको आपको डिवाइडेंट लेना है और छोटे को डिवाइजर। फिर उनको जब तक डिवाइड करते हो जब तक जीरो नहीं आता, और अगर रिमाइंडर नहीं आता जीरो तो आपको डिवाइजर को डिवाइडेंट ले लेना है और रिमाइंडर को डिवाइजर। तो जब जीरो आ जाए, जो उसमें डिवाइजर होगा, जब यहाँ पे जीरो आ गया रिमाइंडर, जो वहाँ पे डिवाइजर होगा वो आपका क्या होगा, HCF उन टू नंबर्स का। सो नाउ वी डू सेकंड क्वेश्चन, सेकंड पार्ट। Our second part is 196 and 38,220. We know that 196 is smaller one than 38,220. So now we take 38,220 as dividend and 196 as a divisor. So when we multiply 196 by 1, it is 196 and the remainder again 186. So 2 come down. So now 1862 is bigger one than 196. So we can divide 1862 by 196. So when we multiply 196 by 9, our product is 1764. So now remainder is 98 and 0 come down. So now again we can divide 980 by 160. So when we multiply 196 by 5, here is 980. So remainder is 0. Now we put values in this formula. Our dividend is 38,220 and divisor is 196, quotient is 195, remainder is 0. So now our remainders become 0, so we can find out HCF of these two numbers. So HCF of 196 and 38,220 is the divisor, that is the 196. So third question you do by yourself. So डाउट इन कमेंट बॉक्स। तो ये क्वेश्चन भी सेम टू सेम इसी मेथड से होगी, इसी प्रोसेस से। सो चैनल सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें, शेयर करें और जल्द से जल्द 1K सब्सक्राइबर कराएं, जिससे कि हम अपनी लाइव स्ट्रीमिंग बहुत जल्द स्टार्ट कर सकें। थैंक यू।